In this video, I will demonstrate how to complete Step 3 of the PSLO Mapping and Assessment process. From the Orange Coast College portal page, select Accreditation and then SLO Assessment. This will open the Student Learning Outcomes homepage. On this page, you will see three tiles. Select the middle one for Program SLO Assessment. A new tab will open with the three reports that you need to complete the SLO assessment. For this video, we will be concentrating on Step 3, and you will be using a dashboard. Select the tile for Step 3 and open up the dashboard. Let's look at the dashboard for just a moment. This dashboard represents the data reported by faculty for CSLO assessment, and it is aggregating it per the mapping provided by the faculty. It lists the program, followed by the PSLO name, and then a total of students assessed across all of the courses that were mapped to the PSLO. We then see the number of successful students, and then percentages: all, traditional classes only, hybrid, and online. Return to the tab that has the OCC portal and select Track Dat in the format you prefer. I will use full screen for our demonstration. Select your program from the drop-down menu. For this example, we will use Health Science. You can see that there are two programs in Health Science, each with 3 SLOs. From the Program Planning, you will then select Third, Results and Closing the Loop. Here you will see the results that were indicated in the second step, and then again a green plus over to the far right. Select the green and it will open up a new form. Here you will indicate the date, and you can use the date that you do this entry. For closing the loop, what we want you to do is to consider the dashboard and see if there are any differences across modalities for this PSLO. This will require you to go to the dashboard and then find your program, and in this case Health Science. Select by checking the box, and then all of the PSLOs will be listed along with the success based on the MAP course SLOs. If you want to see one program, what you can do is pick the PSLOs just for that program. This will also allow you to expand and then hit Control P should you want to print the report to look at in a paper format. As you look across these numbers, you can see the number of students total that were assessed across the courses that support this PSLO. You can see the percentage of students who were successful across all courses, in the face-to-face classes only, in hybrid courses, and in online courses. Here you can see that there's a slight difference between the modalities, although it is probably not significant. So I will return to Track Dat and make a comment about these items. So I have written the success rates across modalities were different, but seemingly not significantly. They were in a range between 91.2% and 87.8%. The next thing we want to do is indicate the assessment year, and then indicate the level of success students had in meeting the PSLO. For all criterions for this, students were above 80%, and so we indicate that in the drop-down menu. In the traditional classes, again, students were above 80%, and so we'll indicate that with the drop-down menu. Courses in this program are not offered as a hybrid, so hybrid criterion is not applicable. For the online, students again were above 80%, so we will indicate that with the drop-down. So the plan for improvement would be to continue with what we're doing, because we seem to be having fairly good success and the PSLOs are fully achieved. You are now finished with Step 3. You will need to complete Step 3 for each PSLO.